This right here is my wife's best recliner chair. This is where she likes to come in, sit down, kick back and watch TV. She hooks up the phone to it while she's watching TV. The problem that we're having is, of course, there's the outlet plug right there for her charger. Then of course it goes across here, and the issue is that when she reclines the chair, the cord always goes underneath the leg rest, and then she always forgets, and then when she puts down the leg rest, she's always chopping off the charger cable, and then we're there buying new cable for her charger. The other thing also, this is her lamp. She likes to plug it in. As you can see, it's not plugged in right now because the plug is back there. So same thing, when she plugs it back there, the cord is across, and anybody that wants to go to the back door needs to jump over and so forth. So what I am going to attempt to do is these come up, and then you can put magazines in there on both of them, on both sides. Close it up. So what I am going to attempt to do is I am going to put a USB plug in here and then run a cable underneath it, like an extension cord, and then she can plug in her phone, plug in the light. She'll resolve the issue. So this is the junction box that I'm going to be using to put here to run it through. Going to drill a hole through down there so I can put the extension cord underneath it. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but if it shows up on YouTube video, it means it was a success. Well, let's get started. Okay. Hot, neutral, and the ground. Connect it to a plug. I'm going to connect it to this extra plug here that I got from some other appliance that I didn't need. I threw it away, and I figured I could use this someday, and here it is. I'm going to connect it to this. This here doesn't matter whether it's all going to be the same. One's going to be ground, one's going to be hot anyway, so it doesn't really matter. The only one you need to be concerned about is the ground. The middle one is the ground for the ground plug over here. It doesn't matter the other two. It doesn't matter where you actually connect them. connect this to a plug. Alright, green light is on, showing that it does have power. And test it. Put in this lamp in here. And there it is. Got power. Go ahead and plug in the charger. Yep, there it is. Charging. Alright. So we have power. Everything's working. Disconnect. Okay. Simple. I'm going to go ahead and hook up that to the recliner armchair. Okay, and then I'll proceed to connect the rest of it up. We'll continue. Okay, I got the chair on, put the chair on the side, and I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole here. I already made a slit in the fabric so the drill bit doesn't get a hold of it. I already know that this is wood, and I'm going to use a wood bit, 1 3/8 in diameter. I'll find a location right here. That looks like it already, that went all the way through. Check. Of course, this is the electrical outlet I'm going to run through it. Alright, that looks like it went through. Looks like we're going to be good to go. Let me go and put the chair back up right. Yeah. There it is right there. Oh, we went right through it, right there. Alright. So we're good to go. Okay. That's right. Head it out. WB. So we're going to plug it in. See where we're at. Okay, the installation is complete. There's the electrical cord that's coming out of the chair, and I have it plugged into an extension cord that's over that wall, and it's now connected. It is right there. You see the green light showing that it does have power. So let's just test it. Here's the electrical cord for the lamp. Here's the lamp plugged in, and there it is. It has power. Lamp is working. Here's the USB. Let's connect that. Yeah, let me get a phone. There's my phone right here. Let's plug it in. There it is. Come on, charging. So everything is working. A recliner with a newly installed USB outlet and electrical outlet. Now, of course, there's going to be some that are going to say that I could have just went and bought a chair with a USB on it, because they do have them out on the market now. And yeah, I guess I could if I wanted to spend $200, $300, $400 on a new chair, a new recliner, which I don't, because this one is still in perfectly good shape. And it only cost me under $10 to put that in. Save myself $200, $300, $400, maybe $500 for a new recliner. And my wife loves it. So I can unplug that, close it up, and there you go. Now, your recliner may not have these convenient cubby holes that this one has here, but I'm sure you can figure out a way, someplace to put it, and save yourself a few $100s trying to buy one with a USB on it. Okay? Hope this video helps you. Have a good day.